I'm in Poole and getting on a boat shortly, going over to Brownsea Island. Picked a great day for it. Just over that way.
Airline developed emergency occurring near a series of 7 short blasts while my weapon blast ships on. Remain calm, remain seated, and listen to myself, the ship's crew. We have 3 life rafts on board outside the guard rails on the upper deck, the remainder on the lower stern deck. Life jacket situated under the seat.
Lord Baden-Powell started the scout movement. He looks more like Buddha.
They had an arm in front, and then it big.
I just walked through a cobweb.
Oh, really?
For some reason there's tens of thousands of pieces of pipe, terracotta pipe, all over the beach here. That circle there is made out of them too. Someone's arranged them very nicely. Surely they're not being brought in by boat. They must have come from the island. And there's Poole out there in the distance. Now check this out here. This is a little rock you can see. Rock. You turn it over. I don't know what all that is on the inside of there. I can't get into the ruined village. It's closed off. They're doing some forestry work. That's a track down to the ruins of the village, and that's called Maryland. That's it, but it's blocked off. It was the main thing I wanted to see on the island, and now I can't go and see it. Completed my circumnavigation of the island, and I'm going to see if I can get some ice cream. Brownsea Lager from Piddle Brewery. I believe the Piddle is a river, also known as the Trent, but for the sake of this beer, it's got to be Piddle. Oh, damn it.